Alrighty, everybody, so here is our last video for 5.2, and it's called Heron's area formula. This lets us calculate the area of any triangle if I know the lengths of all three sides. So if I give you the lengths of all the three sides, what we're going to do is we're going to calculate what we call the semi-perimeter, which is going to be little s. So we're going to add the lengths of all three sides, cut that in half, and then we're going to take that value of s and we're going to plug it into this formula to find the actual area of that triangle. So let's take a look. How are we going to use this? Well, let's look at the triangle that we looked at in the previous video, and let's find the area that this truss is going to cover. How much area is inside this truss? Well, using Heron's formula, here I'm going to use the actual word area. I don't want to confuse it with the A in the problem. So the area of any triangle, if I know the lengths of all three sides, can be found by taking the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where s is my semi-perimeter and a, b, and c are the lengths of the sides. So remember, to find s, we're going to do half of a plus b plus c. That's why it's called a semi-perimeter, because we're cutting it in half. Semi, half. So S is going to be 1/2 of 11 feet plus 9 feet plus 6 feet, which will give us an S value of 13. Now that I know the value of S, I can find the area. So like I say, I'm going to say area instead of big A. I don't want to confuse it for that angle. So the area of this triangle is going to be 13 times 13 minus 11 times times 13 minus 6 times 13 minus 9. There we go. I got a little confused on my angles there for a moment. So normally I would just plug this in all at once and I would show you what the answer is. However, if we do this by pieces, we can kind of see what we get. So we're going to have to take the square root of 728. So the area is exactly the square root of 728. I said 8 and wrote 9 square feet. Yeah, but good luck explaining that to the guy at the Home Depot. So since all of my measurements, we got 2 significant figures at most, I am going to say the area of this truss is about 27 square feet. Boom. All right, so that is how we do Heron's formula. And remember, when we find the area, what we are calculating, when we are calculating the area, what we are calculating is the space inside this triangle. So there are 27 different squares that are 1 foot by 1 foot inside that truss. Alrighty, gauchos, if you got any questions, please let me know. I would love to answer them for you. Be ready to go in class, and I will see you when I see you.